This is Dave with Logical IT Solutions. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clone a virtual machine using the VMware vCenter Standalone Converter 5.5 software. The VMware Converter is a very powerful tool and a must-have when working with VMware virtual environments. This software can be used to convert physical machines to virtual, or P2V as it's called, move a machine from one host to another, clone machines, edit virtual machines, and even migrate VMs from Hyper-V or other backup software. In this example, we will be cloning an existing vCenter virtual machine and putting it on the same host. You will get a feel for the process, which you can tweak depending upon the operation you're trying to perform. Start off by opening your vCenter Converter software. Click Convert Machine. Click the Source drop-down box. Here you can see all the sources that are available for conversion. For our example, we're going to choose VMware Infrastructure Virtual Machine. On the server field, you can enter the address of your vCenter server or your ESX host directly. Enter the credentials you will need to access the host. Click Ignore to the SSL warning. Select the host in which the VM resides on, and select the VM that you want to clone. Your VM will need to be powered off prior to cloning. Click Next. Here's where we enter the destination for the virtual machine. Click the destination type and change it to VMware Infrastructure Virtual Machine. Enter the name or address of the destination host. Enter the credentials you will need to access the host. Click Next. Type the name of the new VM you are creating and click Next. Choose the destination host and data store you want the VM to reside on. Choose the version you want the virtual machine to be. Keep in mind that version 10 machines cannot be modified via the vSphere client software, only 9 and below. You will need the vCenter web interface to modify version 10 machines. Click Next. All of these options can be modified now or after the conversion is complete. However, you might want to change the disk type to thin provision here so your VM will take up less disk space. Click Next. Click Finish to start the conversion process. The conversion process can take some time depending upon how large the virtual machine files are and the speed of your network. I've seen issues with Trend Micro antivirus and the vCenter Converter software in the past. Disabling the AV temporarily will allow the conversion to complete successfully. After your VM is finished cloning, open your vSphere client or your vCenter web client. Locate your new virtual machine, right-click your VM, and click Edit Settings. Review all the virtual machine specifications to verify the machine isn't overpowered or underpowered. Click OK. Right-click the VM and click Power On. You may receive a message asking if the VM was moved or copied. Answer Moved if you are just moving a machine from one host to another. Answer Copied if you are cloning and the original will still exist. If your virtual machine is a Windows VM and you are keeping the existing image you cloned from, you may want to run sysprep to generalize the virtual machine. This will avoid any complications from two identical machines on your network. Your machine has been successfully cloned and you can now begin using it. Once again, this is Dave with Logical IT Solutions. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Please check out some of our other awesome videos and check out our website at www.logicalits.net.